Alright, I'm back, I guess. I don't know what to say. Is it even detecting that I'm live? Yeah, it is, okay. Um, so... I should probably work on the building system even though I'm not gonna release it until after an update, but there's so many things with this that are that's broken that I really need to fix, I guess. So this is basically what I have done of the building system. It just, oh wait, I gotta turn on use mouse position for debugging, but here we go. So you could place down items, but it's probably not the best because there is no snapping positions between the different items. And then I forget what did I bind this to? P and O, right? Okay. Thought, why is the item never enabled? Okay. Oh, um, uh, participants bind to each case. Why is that set? Okay. I'm just going to make this kinematic so I can just like do this to test. Whoa, okay. So there's like two different items that are object of type game object has been destroyed where you're trying to, okay. That's really weird. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Yep, mouse position. Okay, so it's like two different. Okay, but it looks like okay. I think this is one of them is the hand, and then one of them is my simulated stuff, or I guess is one way to call it. One thing to call it. I don't really know. So if I switch over to the window, okay, so that's a little, so that's, so what I'm trying to work on is if you put item, like one of these wall items, for example, you put it near, it will just snap like perfectly to the other one. Kind of like this, I guess is one way to, basically like that, but it wouldn't, it would just snap. So you kind of go away from it, you could freely move it, but then when you get close, it'll just go right next to it. I had something working at one point, but it's been a while since I've modified this, so I don't remember what everything does. Okay. Yeah, okay. I guess I should just do. Okay, let's see what happens if I do that. I doubt it's gonna work at all, but oh wait, I'm not even sharing my rider's stream. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Sorry. Move those up. Enable this mouse position. These might not have proper nodes either. Okay, where's that? Because when it gets close. Okay, so why is this, not this one? Why am I using the one that's in the scene and not in the resources folder? I don't know. Okay, let's try this again. So I place. Oh, this should. Oh, okay, that does actually. Even though this is. I should probably not use. Cause if I set. Okay, the rotation is not working properly either. Place down it. Seems like this surface is almost perfectly flat. Okay, they have snap points, so that's not the issue. Snap distance. So what did I do for this? Oh, it's all just okay. Wait, didn't you just stream? Yeah, I did. I I was going to go. I kind of stopped streaming because no one was joining, and I just decided to start streaming again because I saw you commented, and I don't know. I saw that you were joining the stream right as I stopped it, so I decided to stream again. I guess I don't know. Um, let's see. So this should. I should probably go in here and then let me switch the. I think it's this that's doing it, so I should just do. I'm gonna comment this out and see what happens if I. Just gonna. If input dot get key down key code dot. I'll just do the zero key, I guess. Use snap equals or equals not use snap. I actually need to make this do something too. If not use snap. Oops, what the? Oh, I'm not even sharing my writer. Okay, sorry about that. Um, use mouse position. Okay, let's try this. So if I. Okay, I think I know why it's not. Maybe I'm just really bad at math because this doesn't seem like something that would be too hard to add either. I feel like okay, this code is this is a. Are you trying to make a grid system? No. I know how to make a grid system. I'm trying to make this. Okay. Hold on. Why is this not? Oh, of course, because this isn't how you end it for each statement. Of course. Why am I doing? I've been doing this for 5 years. I should know that. I'll show you what I'm trying to make. Um, Basically, when you get close to, you can see the debug spear cast I'm working with here as well, but it's pretty much just when you get close to another building item, like a wall, it'll just snap to it. So instead of like building it like this and then it gets all, it's not precise at all, and or it just, you know, that's not very good for like building a house or something, which is what I'm going for. So I'm trying to make it so it just snaps to different building pieces. I could add it. I mean, I do want to add like a grid-based option maybe, but uh, I don't know. I've never done a building system, so it's probably why it doesn't work very well. Let me go back into. I should probably just rewrite this entire thing because I did this like a couple months ago and I don't remember. I should really just. Oops. Okay, that's not what I wanted to open. Uh. Honestly, I don't really know why I'm working on building right now because I'm not even. Because the game's not even going to release with building, so I'll just disable that for now. I should probably make the private room UI better because I have it so that the keyboard, well, all the spacing on the keyboard's a little weird too. I think. Never mind. I actually got it pretty good. I should probably use a layout group though, or whatever. But uh, there we go. In-room test. Nice. Why did I just delete that? That's. I mean, I'm in play mode, so it doesn't matter. But whatever. I should probably delete this button because I don't really know why I have it here. if anybody here has any ideas for what I should add for random text, because there's 32 random text, like random, uh, messages that can show up on the loading screen, but kind of want to do more. Let's see. But if any of y'all watching have any ideas for anything I could put in here, let me know, because I'm open for suggestions. Wait, am I still streaming Ryder? I'm so sorry. Uh, okay. If any of y'all have any suggestions for things I could put in here, let me know. So yeah, and they show on the loading. I'm so sorry. I did not know I was streaming Ryder still. I feel really bad now. Um, yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm probably ending this stream here because I've got other things to do. So yeah, thanks to everyone who joined though. Yeah.